Keeping Britain's Horses Healthy is a campaign designed to help minimise illness and disease in the 1 million horses we have stable throughout Britain. The fundamental basis for the campaign is that prevention is better than cure, and we've made it our mission to reduce the risk of illness and disease to Britain's horses by focusing on the benefits of preventative healthcare and encouraging its adoption amongst owners. It's long been reported and acknowledged that insufficient numbers of horses are vaccinated against equine influenza to provide adequate herd immunity. In fact, data calculated by MSD Animal Health indicates that fewer than 50% of horses are vaccinated. Independent experts suggest that at least 70% of the equine population need to be vaccinated to provide herd immunity. MSD Animal Health will address the issue of under-vaccination through the KBHH campaign. The campaign will address other infectious diseases and in partnership with equine veterinary practices set targets by disease. The long-term goal is to identify and protect at-risk horses from endemic disease.
Vaccination is one of the simplest things a horse owner can do to protect their horse against disease, but yet less than 50% of horses in the UK are vaccinated for influenza, and worryingly less than 60% of horses are vaccinated for tetanus, with uptakes of vaccination against herpes and strangles even lower than that. So really the goal of this campaign is to try and educate owners on preventative healthcare and specifically on vaccination against these infectious diseases. And aspirationally, we have set some targets where we would like about 70% of horses to be vaccinated against influenza and all horses to be vaccinated against the fatal disease tetanus.
More often than not, owners' decision to vaccinate is driven by the need to demonstrate vaccination status in order to compete in equestrian sport. KBHH will use a variety of media channels and work with equine practices to educate owners regarding the health benefits of vaccination, with the aim of changing mindsets so that a decision to vaccinate is based on health benefits for the individual and the equine population. We launched the campaign in May this year as an opportunity for the industry to collaborate and improve protection and prevention of endemic diseases in horses in the UK. Focuses on the vet is pivotal in the delivery of preventative healthcare and builds on the opportunity that exists for broader and deeper discussions with owners covering biosecurity and herd immunity.
We intend to run the campaign for at least the next couple of years because we believe it's going to take this amount of time to achieve the difference that we want to achieve and to get to these herd immunity targets which we have set.
Establishing data on vaccination coverage at national and local level, educating owners about the importance of herd vaccination levels and yards about the roles of biosecurity is what Keeping Britain's Horses Healthy campaign aims to do, which will take time. The Keeping Britain's Horses Healthy campaign has been launched with the support of a number of horse-interested organisations which make this an industry-wide campaign. The Animal Health Trust, Horse Trust, Vet Times, Bailey's Horse Feeds and Horse and Rider magazine have all agreed to support the goal of keeping Britain's horses healthy and build on the opportunity that exists for broader and deeper discussions with owners covering biosecurity and herd immunity.
By having these organisations on board and supporting us, we hope to gain as much access and communicate with as many owners and as many vets and as many yard owners as possible to make this a truly industry-wide campaign.
Until now, vets have been largely unaware of actual vaccination rates and how they compare with desired vaccination rates. So in essence, it all starts by calculating their vaccination rates and establishing the gap. This makes it real and relevant to their practice, and then it's about creating an action plan to identify horses that would benefit from vaccination. A wide range of educational material will be made available via the veterinary surgery and direct to owners. A national PR, advertising and social media campaign is planned to create a high level of awareness, and the campaign is supported by a dedicated website, healthyhorses.co.uk. The website, aimed at driving owners back to their veterinary practices, will include a vet finder exclusively for equine practices and healthcare information. It will also feature a national competition to find Britain's greatest horse, offering owners the chance to enter through the website.
Yards are a particular focus of the campaign, and the aim is to get the vet in front of the yard owner to engage them with vaccinating their horses on the yard and some simple biosecurity steps which will help in disease prevention. This will not only create a healthier population of horses on the yard, but will also help build the value back into vaccination and help the reputation of both businesses.
By regularly monitoring and reviewing vaccination rates and disease risk, the campaign aims to keep vaccination at the top of the horse owner's agenda and establish true rates of vaccination compliance in the UK.
We would like to get more veterinary practices involved in the campaign. This will not only help their practice, but it will also help their owners and basically improve the healthcare across Britain's horses.
We've started to receive initial figures from participating vets, which, whilst it's early days, data from the first 66,000 horses seen by a vet in the last 12 months supports our calculation that less than 50% of Britain's estimated 1 million horses are vaccinated against influenza, with a significant difference in vaccination rates between horses seen in the last 12 months and all horses on the practice database.
For full details on the launch programme and to find out more about the campaign, please speak to your MSD Animal Health account manager or visit the website healthyhorses.co.uk.